Hello, everybody. On Facebook, Kanika asks the question, and I've encountered this a few times, so it's time to record something. Hey, I'm using your PowerPoint course to create covers, and can I create the front and back cover? Because I need to put my logo on the back cover. Now, this becomes problematic. First of all, we're talking about paperbacks here because ebooks don't have back covers. And when it comes to creating the back cover, the biggest problem is the spine. How thick do you make it to handle your book? And my response is that I like to use the book cover creator to create the book cover and then just replace the cover and let it create the spine and the back cover. And let me show you how this works. Now, Kanika didn't say whether she was using the KDP build for a paperback or CreateSpace. So I'm going to show you both of them. Let's go over to KDP right now, where I'm in the process of publishing a paperback. And I'm on the paperback details. I'm going to go over to paperback content, which is in process. And I want to show you how to do the book cover, allowing KDP to take care of everything except for the cover. So here, when it comes to book cover, rather than uploading a PDF, which is the front, back, and spine, what you do is you launch the book cover creator. I know that's the wrong thing to do. Don't use the online book cover creator, I always tell you. But you don't use it to make the cover. You use it to make everything but the cover. So up comes the book cover creator, and it tells you what it's going to do. And you say, yeah, okay, I understand the steps. Now, this is the important point. At this point, what you want to do is you want to upload an image from your computer. So you go ahead and you click on the middle thing, and I'm going to upload an image from my computer, and I'm going to go to Covers Brian, and I'll just pick some cover. Here's a cover. So it's 1800 actually by 2400, so it's a little wider than usual and a little less tall. So let's go ahead and we'll pick that. We'll see what it ends up looking like. KDP ends up showing me various options for how to lay out this cover. These are all book covers that cover the front, the back, and the spine. But notice this one here. It only put my book cover on the cover, and then it supplied a spine and a back cover for me. So I'm going to choose this one, the one in the upper left-hand corner. Now, once again, this is using KDP to create your paperback. And once you get in here, I can click on any of these items, and I can put the book description here. And don't worry, the font gets smaller the more that you type. So as you put in more and more text, it gets smaller and it gets normal. So put in your book description here. And here is where I would put in my author bio. And if you want to put in a logo, go ahead and click here and upload from your computer a logo. Now, I would more typically include a picture of me than a logo. So let's go to Pictures, and we'll go to Brian's Stuff, and we'll come down to a picture of me. Now, what size do we want? Let's try that size. See what it ends up looking like. 180 by 180. And it'll upload it and I'll put it there. So if you want to put your logo there, do that. And notice how great this is. I can also pick the color of the background. Here's the color. So choose colors. I can go here and I can say, oh, let's say I want an orangish color. See, that doesn't fit with my cover at all. In fact, just go back to what you had before. The primary color. Oh, now I messed up the colors. I want that to be a blackish. That's not blackish. Let's get black. There we go. So we got our dark colors back in. So my point is that you can change the colors to match your book cover and let the book cover creator worry about the spine and the back cover. Now, let's say that you actually are using CreateSpace. Here I am over on CreateSpace, working on a book, and you come up to the book cover. You just do the same thing. So let's go ahead and we'll change this book cover. Proceed. I've already defined this book cover, so it's asking me, do I really want to change it? And we'll edit book cover. And notice here that the book cover that I used, in fact, let's go to themes. Oh, that's just theme. Change design. There we go. I want to show you which design I'm using. So when it comes up with the designs, it shows you all of these pages. And notice here how it kind of creates the book cover for you using particular pictures. But if you go to page 5 of creating a design, this is in CreateSpace once again, not KDP. You get this spruce. And what spruce does is exactly the same as that KDP design. It allows you to upload the cover, and then it supplies everything else for you. So let's go ahead and say, yeah, go ahead and use that design. Okay. Oh, okay, and it says this is my current design. Use a different one. So that's what I used, and what it allows you to do is to go to front cover image and upload a front cover image. So let's put our strange image in here again. So I'll go to Pictures, Covers Brian, and we'll pick that Scrum image again. And you could see it just replaces the cover, but it puts text in here in the background and stuff. Now I can go here to, what do we have? There we go, background color, and I can change this more to a black so that it matches up with the cover. And in this case, it's not giving me a spine because the book doesn't have any contents. It's not thick enough to have a spine. See, it thinks that stuff out for me so that I don't have to do it. And then I go ahead and I submit the cover and I save and so on. So, 2 tricks. If you're in KDP, you use that upper left-hand corner example where you can put on the cover and let it do the rest of it for you. If you're in CreateSpace, then you go to page 5 of the optional covers in Cover Creator and use the spruce version that will allow you to create a cover and let it build the spine and the background cover for you. So it ends up looking like that. And once again, if you want to put a particular symbol for you instead of your face, just upload that in the author face area. And that's it. That should be the answer to Kanika's question. And Kanika, if that still doesn't answer your question, let me know and I'll go slower and we'll get this resolved. So I'll see you in the classroom.